size of Westmoreland. Wow. Like Westmoreland is not very big. That is Negril Beach now.
Where?
That's Negril over there.
Oh yeah, I
Over the
see.
palm tree top. That's
Yeah.
Negril go right down to Whitehall property
Oh.
where you had the Texaco station down in town there.
Cool.
And that is Orange Hill, Retirement, Brighton, Little Bay, you know, go straight back round to Little London, right back round to Sagamore, and back to Froome. You can see Westmoreland, the side of Westmoreland. And the Froome Estate. This is a beautiful spot.
Yeah, and you can see the two giants in there too. Yeah, 360-degree view.
Wow. You see there? And Hanover.
Could you imagine, was the tree expert climbing on those?
I don't hear of anybody climbing them. You know.
Look at the tree. That is the branch.
Yeah. Wow.
Each branch is a tree itself.
As a tree itself. That
Yeah,
branch
this is a
is
good
growing a
view of
tree
it.
and
Wow, this is quite a spot. All right, so